Okay, now you're doing. Okay, I'll do the first one with you. Actually, no, I'm not doing the first one. Do number 1 to 4. If you finish before you're ready to go through it, you could feel free to do 1 to 3. Follow the instructions. They want you to convert these angles are in radians, they want you to convert to degrees. Can anybody tell me how do you convert radians to degrees? Anybody? Multiply by what?
180 over pi.
Exactly. And how to convert degrees to radians? Anybody? You can look at your book or wherever you wrote it down. Just let me know. Degrees to radians. Anybody?
Missy divide by 180 over pi.
Well, actually, that makes sense. I never thought about it that way. Because if you multiply by 180 over pi, but then you said divide on 180 over pi, then it's reciprocal. I never thought about it that way. You learn something new every day. Right, but yes, it's the same thing. Multiply by pi on 180, divide by 180 on pi. Same thing, right? I never thought about it that way. So yeah, nice. Okay, do this for me. 1 to 4. If you finish before you're ready, 1 to 3. All right. So the first one, they gave me an angle in radians and asked me to calculate degrees. What was my angle? My angle was pi on 3 rad. So remember, you could write out RAD, rad, or you could just put small c. Small c means circular measure. Just in case you wanted to know, right? Like I said, don't just, accept everything I tell you. Question it. Understand why, Okay. Pi on 3 radians to degrees. We said, when converting from radians to degrees, what do? Anybody?
We multiply by 180 over pi.
Mm-hmm. Let me just put times 180 on pi. Times 180 on pi. So could anybody tell me what answer they got for the first one? How many degrees?
60 degrees, miss.
Good job. 60 degrees. Yay. 180 on pi. My pi's would cancel. 180 divided by 3. 60 degrees. Next one. They asked me, they gave me pi on 10 radians. What answer? Anybody?
18 degrees.
18 degrees.
18 degrees. Good job. Okay, we on a roll. Next one. Can anybody tell me what answer they got?
60 pi degrees.
65, sure?
Miss, I got 120 degrees.
Because think about it. If pi on 3 is 60, then what's 2 pi on 3? Right? Okay, sorry about that. Right. So 2 pi on 3 multiplied by 180 on pi, yes, it is 120 degrees. But even if you then do this whole method, multiplying by 180 on pi to get the 120. Above here, you found out that pi on 3 is 60 degrees. So 2 pi on 3, hold on, let me, pi on 3 is equal to 60. So 2 pi on 3 can also be written as 2 multiplied by pi on 3. So if pi on 3 is 60, then 2 by 60 is 1. Just in case you noticed this, these two are related, and yeah. But anyway, you didn't have to do that. That was the point of the exercise, so let's still use this thing. Okay, last one. They ask you to convert 2 radians to degrees. Answer. Anybody? What's your answer? How many degrees?
360 degrees over 360 over pi degrees.
316 pi. Good job. Well, actually, no. Well, yes, I know. Okay, let me show you how. I mean, your answer is technically not wrong, but for degrees, you should, find the value. For radians, you leave it in terms of pi, but for degrees, don't leave it in terms of pi. So yes, this is 360 on pi, which is 115 degrees. All right, so just remember that. So technically, you're not wrong, but you should write the value when.
Thank you, miss.
Anytime. Everybody good? Well, actually, let me not, because I told you something. Degrees, always one decimal, please. So 4.6. If you have a decimal, you should put it to one decimal. Okay, so we good?
Yes, miss.
Everybody?
Yes, miss.
All right. Remember, I will not leave you behind if you don't understand. So, how much time you think you need for this?
Miss 1 minute flat.
Oh, 1 minute. Okay. Go. Done?
Not yet, miss.
I'm finished.
Oh, okay. Congrats. Wait, who was that? Who said to finish?
Myself.
Oh. Congrats. You're bad. Anyways. Oh, good. So, resume. Before we do this, can anybody tell me, how do I convert degrees to radians?
Well, miss, the way I did it divide by 180 over pi.
Okay. Dividing by 180 on pi is the same as multiplying by pi on 180. In case anybody does not understand why, when dividing by a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 180 on pi is pi on 180. So let me just put in brackets here in case you prefer to divide in 180 on pi. Right. Okay, so that's what we're doing. So 30 degrees. To get this to radians, I would multiply by pi on 180, divide on 180 on pi. Multiply by this. Answer. Anybody?
Pi over 6.
Ooh, nice. 101 people. 101 people. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, next one.
3 pi over 4.
5 over 4, correct. Hold on. 180, 3 pi and 4. Does anybody not understand how we got this?
Miss, I have a question about the miss. So, miss, with this one, you don't like plug pi into it and actually like use, like actually solve. Does that make sense? Like simplify further?
Yeah, that's why I said sometimes you use the exact value. So in terms of pi, it all depends on the question. The question might ask you, calculate the value of the angle theta in terms of radians to 3 significant figures. So if they said 3 significant figures, then yes, you actually have to put pi into the calculator and find the value. But if they told you in terms of pi, you have to leave it like this. So it all depends on what the question asks. Okay?
Yes,
Does
miss.
that
Thank you.
explain? So if I put this into my calculator, I'll get approximately 2.36. That's what you got?
Well, miss, I did it rounded, so you got 2.4.
2. Should put it to 3 significant figures. Yeah. Anyways. 270.
3 pi on 2.
3 pi over
3 pi over
Good
2.
job. Good job. Good. I like this. I like when you understand. 3 pi on 2 radians. Congrats. Anybody didn't get these answers? Nope. Troy, you still there? Oh gosh. Is Troy still?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Because I wasn't hearing from you, no. And I usually hear from you at the class. Kind of quiet. Okay. This, I'll put this in a different color, so it stands out. This is very, 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 very important. See how many times I said very? It's very important. So what is this important thing I'm talking about? See, when using trig functions, so you would know that trig functions are like sine, cosine, tan. See, when using those to find angles in radians, you have to put your calculator in rad or radian mode. Let me say that again. When using trig functions to find an angle in radians, you have to put your calculator in radian mode. Please remember to do that. If you do not do that, your answer will be wrong. I'm saying to go wrong. Okay, bye. Oh wait, by the way. Message me after. I'll tell you.
Excuse me, miss.
Yeah.
Is this session about to end?
About what?
Is this session about to end?
But I don't know. You can show me. Is it?
Miss, I'm not sure, miss. That's what I'm asking. I just saw a random link and joined.
Oh my gosh. Okay. No. We finished at I don't know what to say. But in Trinidad it's 7. We have an hour and 7 minutes game. Does that answer your question? I don't know. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, I don't even know who's talking to me. Okay. I don't know who's talking to me. But we still have a while game. Okay. Put your calculator in radian mode. Do you know how to put your calculator in radian mode?
Yes, miss.
Okay, that's 1 yes. What about the rest?
Yes.
Wait, that was a yes?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Anybody? Okay, let me ask this question. Anybody does not know how to put this in radian mode? Wait. Micaiah, do you know?
Oh, miss, I said yes, but I was trying my calculator not resetting. I don't know what happened to it.
Does your calculator have the little button?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to press, but it not.
Shall I use a pen or something?
Yeah, I'm pressing it, but it keep going back to degrees.
Oh, well, yeah. Every time you reset it, it would go back to degrees, and then you'd have to change it back to radian.
Yeah, but it's not changing back.
It's not changing back to degrees?
Oh yeah, it is.
Okay, well, that's
But it-
normal.
Okay.
But do you know how to get it in radian mode?
I thought so, but no, I think I'm not sure if I'm doing something wrong.
Okay. What kind of calculator do you have?
It's a sharp.
Okay. Do you have TRG on your calculator? You see that anyway?
Yeah.
Okay. That is what you need to press to convert it to radian. I don't know if you have to press shift on yours.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Okay, nice.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's what we're doing. You know, while I was talking, could have been doing these things. Okay, so find the values. If you finish before I'm ready to go through these two, you can do this as well. Okay. All right. This shouldn't be too difficult because you literally just putting this into a calculator and writing down a value. Not much thinking. So just, yeah, 2 minutes. Okay, nice, nice. Well, the others, you know, you need to catch up. Take it, take your time, take your time. I'm not rushing you, take your time. Just joking. You finished?
Miss, I just finished them.
Okay. Anybody needs more time? Let me know now. Okay. I will not leave you behind. If you tell me you need more time, I will wait on you. Okay? This is not school where I rush in and you don't know what's going on. No. If you need time, let me know. Cos of 0.5 tan of 0.5. Wait, tan theta is equal to wrong question. Tan theta. Okay. Answers.
I'm missing number one. I have 0.9.
0. Hold on. Cos theta. They said to find angle theta in radians, right? Remember, when finding the value of an angle in radians, try to put it to 3/6, okay? Because that's what you would see in your exam, in terms of pi or 3 significant. So you said 0.9.
Yes, miss.
Anybody else got 0.9?
Miss, I rounded it to 1 decimal place. That's why.
0.9. Anybody else? Anybody got that answer? Yeah, so this is a problem. Well, let's do this now. That was my fault for assuming that you'll be able to do this, because this is something you would have learned in maths, like Form 4. So all the people in Form 4, I don't know if you learned this yet. I think maybe you learned it in Form 3. No. But anyway, when finding an angle, so you see trig function. Trig functions, we know sine, cos, tan. Cos is a trig function. I am in front. Wait, really? What?
Yeah.
Wow, look at you. And you keeping up with the class? Yes?
Yeah.
Or no?
Oh.
Oh. You're all good. Okay. Go ahead, but I haven't touched it yet because my teacher. Oh, gosh. Okay. Oh, we have to do. Okay. When finding an angle and you see a trig function, hold on. Everybody got 0.9. Like every single person in this class got 0.9. If you didn't get 0.9, let me know. So you're guessing everybody got 0.9. Well, that's a problem. Why? Okay, so people in Form 5, I don't know if you know, you should know this. When finding an angle, you always use.
I just fixed my answer and I got pi on 6.
Pi on 6. Pi on 6. How'd you get pi on 6? You gonna explain to me how you got pi on 6? This is all about
Pi on 6. I got
You got-
pi on 6 because I did I know the cosine and theta and the cosine theta and sine values by heart. So
yeah, but cos theta, cos pi on 3 is equal to 0.5. Not pi on 6. Pi on 6 is 3 on 2. But that's special angles. We're not there yet. But yes, we learning special angles just now, right? But no, it's pi on 3 that gives 0.5. But if you didn't know that and you put into your calculator cos inverse of 0.5, you get 1.
1.47. 1.047.
Next. Well, 0.5 to 366. Right. Yeah. Good job, Josh. Does this look familiar? This cos inverse thing? People who told me 0.9. Is that? Yes? No? Come on. I need feedback. I need to know what you don't know from what you know so I can, help you fill in those gaps. Not really. Okay. Anybody else did not know about this cos inverse thing? I think you learned about cos inverse in a point. So there's a possibility you didn't share yet. Maybe you did and forgot. But yes, when finding angles with trig functions, to find the angle, you need to, use the inverse of the function. So like I had just now, if cos theta is equal to 0.5, then to find the angle, whenever finding the angle, what I have to do is find cos inverse. It's a function on your calculator. So depending on the calculator you have, you type cos inverse of 0.5, and you'll see that your answer is 0.05. Well, it's pretty significant, I guess. Let's do the other one. And then I'll do some more,
Wait, Reese. Wait, I don't understand that part. Said sine pi divided by 6. How is it a half? How you get that?
Sine of, no, wait, yes.
How you get that?
Hold on. On your calculator.
Yeah, I keep on working, but I don't get it. I still don't get it. I get different answer.
Radian mode.
Yes, Reese. Radian
Radian.
sine pi
Wait,
divided by 6.
hold on. Did you put your brackets? Is sine bracket pi on 6 close bracket?
Sine bracket. Yeah, sine bracket.
Then put in pi and 6, close the brackets and then press equal.
Pi and 6.
Pi on 6.
Wait. Open brackets. Pi divided by 6.
Yes, this.
Oh yeah. 0.5.
Okay, next.
Right.
So let me practice just finding the angle. Let's do a few more examples since, you know, I think you need to practice. So the other one was tan theta is equal to 0.5. See, when you have trig function tan, when finding the angle, you need to use the inverse. So what does that mean? Theta is equal to tan inverse. That's how you represent inverse of 0.5. Put that into a calculator. Answer. Anybody?
0.464.
464. Good job. Questions about this?
No, miss, not yet.
No worries. No worries.
Next. No need to call me mister. Just saying. It's kind of formal. Don't need to be so formal. Okay, let's try another one. Find theta. Answer. Wait, what would I write in? Theta is equal to what?
Tan inverse 0.2.
Exactly. Good job. Wait, who answered me just now?
Josh Vargas.
Ah, nice, nice. Good job.
0.19 or 0.2.
0.2.
0.2, yeah.
Let me just put these 0, 0. It's 366. Yeah. Everybody good with this?
Well, miss, he sort of like rounded that off, but yeah, that should be the right answer around there.
Because if it's 0.19. Oh wait, look. Okay. Oh, this is nothing. It's 0.197. This was swimming. Anyways, yeah. If they ask you to 3 significant figures, this would be answer 0.197. Let's do one more. Find sine of 0.2. What would you put into a calculator if I want to find theta? Theta is equal to what?
Sine inverse 0.2.
Sine inverse 0.2. Why am I finding sine inverse? Because I'm trying to find the angle.
0.201.
201.
Okay. Radians. Right. So can I move on from this now? Or you would like another example?
Miss, one more example, please.
Right. Remember, when finding the angle and you see a trig function, you have to find the angle theta. You always have to use the inverse of the trig function. 0.6. Answer. Anybody?
I got 0.644.
Anybody didn't get this?